Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubbles in Messenger. First, you'll need to enable chat bubbles in your phone settings. This allows Messenger to display conversations as floating icons over other applications. Once enabled, when you receive a new message, a small circular bubble will appear on your screen. Simply tap this bubble to open the chat window and respond without leaving your current app. It's a super convenient way to multitask and stay connected. Managing your chat bubbles is straightforward. If you want to close a bubble, just drag it to the X icon that appears at the bottom of your screen. For more options, long press on any bubble to bring up a menu where you can hide it temporarily or access specific settings. You can also customize aspects like bubble transparency or size directly within your Messenger application settings, tailoring them to your preference for a better user experience. Messenger bubbles offer some advanced features to enhance your communication. You can pin important conversations, ensuring their bubbles remain visible and easily accessible, even if you have many active chats. For a tidier screen, Messenger can group multiple chat bubbles together into a single icon. Additionally, you can utilize bubble shortcuts to quickly initiate new conversations with your most frequent contacts, streamlining your messaging workflow and saving you valuable time. If you encounter any issues with your Messenger bubbles, a few simple steps can help. Always ensure your Messenger application is updated to its latest version, as this often resolves common bugs and improves performance. If bubbles aren't appearing or behaving as expected, a quick restart of your phone can often fix the problem. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.